quiet silver sky, I call your name like a gentle fire, a steady flame. In every heartbeat, soft and slow, your memory's the light I know. The lonely roads feel hard to climb, your voice becomes my strength in time. Through every storm and shadowed night, you turn my darkness into light. If distance tries to pull apart, you're still the rhythm of my heart. As long as stars above me shine, your hope and mine will intertwine. Distance tries to pull apart, you're still the rhythm of my heart. As long as stars above me shine, your hope and mine will intertwine. Under the quiet silver sky, I call your name like a gentle fire, a steady